Hi friends, this is Robil Mandol. Good afternoon. It is half past 2 o'clock, and today I am in my school. Now I am sitting on a chair, and today I would like to introduce my students. And there are more than 100 students present today, but there are few students inside the classroom, and the other students are playing outside of our school. Now, just come. Uh, she is a Kainer, and she studies in class 5, and she is a Janatun, and she is Sumana. Okay, and they are married to a student. And come. What is your name? What is your name? Her name is Yashika, and she is also a good student. Please don't make noise here. The students are making a lot of noise because this is a classroom and I am taking the photo or video in this class, and it is time to class. Sorry, it is not time to class. It is time to break. Okay, sorry. I am very sorry. She is Yashika. Look at the camera. Okay, she's a good girl. And this is our whiteboard, and this is a tripod stand, and the board placed on a tripod stand. And these are wall fan. One and another one. Yeah, these are wall fan. They are hanging on the wall. And this is our smart TV. Yeah. This is our smart TV, and we can use it as a smart TV or as a computer. Now I would like to introduce with our another few students. She is Fatima. Just raise your hand, Fatima. Okay, and she is Rohima. What is your name? My name is Rohima. Okay, so I am correct. Just raise your hand. And she is. What is your name? My name is Asha. Just come, Asha. She is Asha, and she is our new student, and they are old student actually. And now I am asking some question to my students. Okay. What is your name? My name is Fatima. How old are you? I am 12 years old. What is your name? My name is Rubina. How old are you? I am 10 years old. Where are you from? I am from West Bengal. I am from West Bengal. Okay, and she is new student. I think. What is your name? Asha Khatun. Okay. So just I have asked two questions, and these are the basic question, and uh, they gave the right answer. Okay. This is a chart. Okay, parts of the body, and this is a soft board. We use it to attach any types of letters or notice. Now I am going to the outside of our school. And this is a bucket, but we are using it as a dustbin, and there are two shoe racks. It is a plastic barrel. It is used to collect water. There is a mug inside the barrel. It is a loudspeaker, and it is placed on the wall, and there is another one speaker, and it is placed on the wall also. uh, it is CC camera. Just I have asked to my student only two questions, but they are not happy for that, and they asked me to asking some more questions. So now I am asking some question them. uh, where are you from?
I'm from West Bengal.
Where do you live?
I live in Bangalore.
Okay. And what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is Maggi.
Maggie. Okay. And you, what is your name? You're
My
Janatun? Yeah, am I right?
Yes.
Yes. How old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
Your hair, it is a curly hair. These are curly hair.
Thank you.
Okay. So, how old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
And where are you from?
I'm from West Bengal.
Where do you live?
I live in Bangalore.
What is your or which is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is EVS.
EVS. Okay. And how long have you been here? Means Bengaluru.
Uh, 10 years.
10 years. You have been here for 10 years. Okay. Nice, nice, nice. In which school do you study?
I still
In which school do you study? কোন স্কুলে তুমি পড়ো? You study in Thanal MLC. Okay. And in which class do you study?
I study in 5th standard.
Fifth standard. Okay. Okay. She's Shumana. She's sitting. Just she was sitting on the chair, and she's Fatima. You you all know her, and just now I am asking some question. Okay, I have asked only two questions to her. Okay. How old are you?
I am 12 years old.
Okay. And where do you live?
I am Bangalore.
I live in
I live in Bangalore.
I live in Bangalore. And what is your favorite color?
My favorite color is pink.
Okay. What is the color of your board? Class board? White. It is white in color. Okay. And do you like to study? Do you like to study?
Yes.
Yes.
I like
I like to study. Okay. Okay. Thank you. And he is Aziz Alam. He is Aziz Alam. Where are you from? You are from Bihar. He's from Bihar. There are many students here from Bihar. Okay. How old are you? Okay. In which class do you study? Okay. You study in fifth standard. Okay. And which is your favorite subject? EVS. Okay. And how long have you been here? I have been here for last 10 years. Okay. What is your favorite food? Okay. How many colors are there in rainbow? There are 7 colors in rainbow. Okay. How many months are there in a year? Okay. Just I have asked him some basic question, and he was able to give the answer properly. Friends, write your introduction in the comments. Tell me your name, age, and one thing you like. Thank you for watching the video.